Yogastva. Myself, Yogi Buddhadev from Yogas Foundation, and of course from Shri Yogas Vidyashala, Rishikesh. I welcome you all to join my satsang, Yogasang. Yogasang, it is a satsang. It is a yoga satsang. And you and me and the people like you and I would be making this Yogasang. And here at this very platform, we would be having discussions, we would be chatting, we would be interacting, we would be talking about the subject of life so that we can tread the path of spirituality, simplifying it while being in the Word and just performing and discharging our ordinary duties. At the platform of the Yogast, I would like to mention one thing, that living in the higher awareness is not a very difficult task as well, as I have understood. And just to awaken you from your slumber and to enlighten you, I have always been and I will be bringing before you so many enlightened programs. Just to name a few, like the Kriya Kundalini Yoga that I propound and teach, the Kriya Pratiprasad Sadhana that you know by name of past life regression, karma reincarnation, Shri Sanjeevani Kriya Shakti, which is the highest form of healing at the karmic level, healing at the pranic level, and much more. And at the same time, Shri Yogast Vidya, that is the say you can say the absolute program for being Yogast. Being Yogast is not only the necessity, rather an opportunity for the people like you and me to live in the higher awareness. And not only in the higher awareness, it is a way to lead a path of purposeful life over here. In this 21st century, I would like to remind you, where we are leading to, we don't know. And there have been many people all around us who are just giving us misconceptions, creating fake atmosphere all around us. We should definitely seek inside the truth. So Yogasang is a platform where we would be interacting, we would be discussing, we would be having chat regarding the way of spiritual life, soul, karma, God, Kundalini, Chakra, Tantra. We would be discussing so many subjects, and not only a discussion, we'll be having a very practical view of them so that we can inculcate the values and we can definitely imbibe the practical attributes of all these things. So I welcome again all of you. We are soon going to announce the dates that probably we would be having once at least, or maybe fortnightly, twice a month, and that yoga satsang will be open for all. But of course, at the same time, the right of admission will be reserved in some cases, and so many things that I would be revealing you once we start with this Yogasang. So please join us for the journey of being Yogast.